Oke, baik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, all right, guys. In this meeting, we have discussed about medical instrument and hospital rooms. We from uh, we from 11 group. In 11 group, next slide. Okay. In our meeting, uh, kembali, nah tolong. In our team, we have in the first place Diona Hayu, and second place in the Rahma, and third place is Muhammad Endra, and last Muhammad Fatan Latiful Asmi. Okay, next. In first topic in this course is a medical instrument. Okay, okay, Diana Hayu, please.
First, we have thermometer. Definition from a thermometer. A thermometer is a medical device used to measure the body temperature of a patient to assess their thermal condition. Description: modern thermometers are usually digital or infrared. They can be used orally, axillary, tympani, or on the forehead. Thermometer provide fast and accurate temperature readings. Function: the thermometer is used to detect fever, hypothermia, or abnormal body temperature, which may indicate infection, inflammation, or other medical condition.
All right, next is Indira.
Next, stethoscope. Definition: a stethoscope is a medical instrument used to listen to internal sound of the human body, especially the heart, lung, and blood vessels. Next, description. A stethoscope consists of air pitch, flexible tubbing, and a chest pitch that include a diaphragm and a bell. It is commonly used by doctor and nurse during physical examination. Function: to assess heart sound, heart rate, and rhythm, to listen to lung sound, breathing abnormalities. Next, to measure blood pressure when used with a sphygmomanometer.
All right, next, it's me. At third is CT scan. CT scan definition is a CT scan or computer tomography scan is a medical imaging technique that uses X-ray and computer processing to create detailed cross-sectional image of the body. It allows healthcare professionals to view internal organs, bones, blood vessel, and soft tissue with high accuracy. Next is a description. A CT scan is performed using a large circular machine called a CT scanner. During the examination, the patient lies on a motorized table that moves slowly through the scanner. The scanner rotates around the patient and captures multiple X-ray images from different angles. These images are then processed by a computer to produce detailed slice of the body. The procedure is painless and usually takes only a few minutes. In some cases, a contract again may be administered to enhance image clarity. Less is a function of CT scan. The main function of CT scan is help to diagnose and evaluate of various medical conditions. It used to detect tumor, internal bleeding, infection, fracture, and abnormalities of organs such as the brain, lungs, and abdomen. CT scans also assist doctor in planning treatment, guiding medical procedure, and monitoring the progress of disease. Next is Muhammad Fatan.
Okay. In the last, microscope. Definition of microscope. A microscope is a laboratory instrument used to magnify and observe microscopic structure that cannot be seen with the naked eye. Description: in a medical laboratory, a microscope is used to examine blood cells, microorganisms, tissues, and the other clinical samples. It consists of lens, a light source, and mechanical components that provide clear and detailed image. Function: the microscope helps identify pathogens, analyze cell morphology, and support accurate medical diagnosis.
Okay, next topic is hospital room. At the first hospital room, we have, next slide. Okay, let's go, Diona.
First, we have operating room. Definition: an operating room is a specially designed and sterile hospital room where surgical procedures are performed. Description: it's equipped with surgical tables, operating light, and anesthesia mechanism, and sterile instrument. Strict infection control measures are applied in this room. Function: the operating room provide a safe and controlled environment for surgeons to perform both minor and major surgeries.
Okay, next room, we have, next slide, emergency room with Indira.
Emergency
Let's go,
room.
Indira.
Emergency room definition: an emergency room is a hospital room where patients with urgent and life-threatening condition receive immediate medical care. Description: the emergency room operator 24 hours a day and is staffed by doctor, nurse, and other medical personnel. It is equipped with emergency bed, monitoring device, oxygen supply, defibrillation, and emergency medication. Function: to provide immediate treatment for emergency case, to stabilize patients in critical condition, to perform initial assessment and treat, to refer patient for further treatment or hospitalization.
All right, next slide. Third place, or third room is a radiology room. Definition: hospital or medical facility where medical imaging procedures are performed to help diagnose disease and injuries. Next, description of radiology room is the radiology room is designed with strict safety standard to protect patient and medical staff from radiation exposure. The walls are usually lined with lead shielding, and the room contains imaging equipment such as X-ray machine, CT scanner, or other radiology device. Inside the room, there is an examination table, a control panel, and protective equipment like lead aprons. The environment is kept clean, organized, and quiet to ensure accurate imaging results. The last is function of radiology room is the main function of radiology room is to support diagnostic procedure by producing detailed image of the internal structure of the body. These images help the doctor identify fracture, infection, tumor, and other medical conditions, enabling accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment planning. Okay, that's the room.
Okay, and the last room, we have laboratory room. Definition of laboratory room is a medical facility area where clinical tests are performed to support disease diagnosis and treatment. Description: the laboratory room is equipped with instruments such as microscope, analysis, and centrifuge. It is designed to be clean, organized, and safe, with proper ventilation and the use of personal protective equipment. Function: the laboratory room is provide accurate test results that help doctor to diagnose disease, monitor patient condition, and evaluate treatment effectiveness. Okay.
All right, guys. Okay, this meeting is the end. If you have a question, you can write in the commenter section. Okay, thank you from